A very good morning to 12th class student. In this video we are going to study about electrophilic substitution reaction of aniline. First question arises, why aniline show electrophilic substitution reaction? Because of resonance. Due to resonance, negative charge comes at ortho and para position. Why negative charge comes at ortho and para position? Because lone pair that present on nitrogen get delocalized over benzene ring, so negative charge comes at ortho and para position due to resonance. So electrophile can easily attack at ortho and para position, and that's why aniline undergo electrophilic substitution at ortho and para position. First reaction is bromination. When aniline treat with bromine in the presence of polar water solvent, then we get 2,4,6 tribromoaniline and 3HBr. Why we get tribromoaniline? Because here in the presence of polar solvent, aniline get more polarized. So more negative charge comes at ortho and para position. That's why we get here tribromo product. This is very important from board examination point of view. But if we want to obtain single bromoaniline, then we have to decrease the electron density at ortho and para position, which is possible by decreasing the electron density on nitrogen. So this can be done by applying some electron withdrawing group. So we do first acylation of aniline, that is take place with acid chloride, or that take place with acetic anhydride, which we have already discussed in second reaction. So first we do acylation, then we do bromination in acetic acid medium. When we do bromination, then we get single bromo product. Why we get single bromo product? Because this is your electron withdrawing group. Due to resonance, it withdraw these lone pair of electron and stabilize on itself. That's why here electron density on nitrogen get decreased, and due to decrease of electron density on nitrogen, we get single bromo product. Then we do its hydrolysis and we get single bromoaniline, that is orthobromoaniline and parabromoaniline. Why we do here hydrolysis? To remove this introduced group, that is electron withdrawing in nature. So this is your bromination of aniline. When we do bromination in polar water solvent, then we get tribromo product. But if we want to get single bromoaniline, then we have to do first acylation, then bromination, because acyl group is electron withdrawing group and it decreases the electron density on nitrogen. That's why less negative charge comes at ortho and para position. Next is nitration. Aniline on reaction with nitric acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid give 3 product. But in other cases we get 2 product, ortho and para. But here ortho product is 2%. Here meta is a major product and we obtain it is 47%, and para we obtain 51%. Now question arises, why we get meta here as a main product? Because this reaction take place in the presence of sulfuric acid. This is a base, this is acid, so it form anilinium ion. So what it form? It form anilinium ion. Anilinium ion का structure क्या होगा बेटा? This is your anilinium ion structure which is meta directing. So this form, this is meta directing, so we get here meta as a major product. So to avoid this meta product, first we do acylation of aniline, then we get this group, and then we do nitration and then hydrolysis, then we get ortho and para nitroaniline which we want to prepare. So first of all Aniline undergo acylation, then nitration, and then hydrolysis to obtain orthonitroaniline and paranitroaniline. Now, next reaction is sulfonation, which is very important. This from exam point of view. In that sulfonation, when we do aniline sulfonation, this is base, this is your acid, they first form salt. This give you H ion and form anilinium hydrogen sulfate. At 453 to 473 Kelvin, these undergo rearrangement and we get NH2SO3H group with release of water. This is called your zwitterion because again it is base and this is your acid. Here shift of hydrogen get take place. This is your zwitterion. This is your para amino benzene sulfonic acid. This undergo transfer of H या और ये कह सकते हो rearrangement of H ion to form zwitterion. Zwitterion is an ion in which same molecule contain acidic as well as basic group and they give H ion transfer. So this is your sulfonation of aniline. First we do sulfonation of aniline. First they form aniline base, this is acid, they form salt, then they go dehydration at 453 to 473 Kelvin. They release water and we get para amino benzene sulfonic acid. Here both groups are attached with benzene, that is NH2 basic group and acidic group. They undergo hydrogen shift, H ion shift from here to here. Here form cation, here form anion. This is called zwitterion. So this is all about your electrophilic substitution reaction that take place in aniline. Aniline show 3 electrophilic substitution: bromination, nitration and sulfonation. All these 3 contain 3 different questions. So these all 3 reactions are very important from board examination point of view. Now for this year, disonium salt is not in your syllabus. So I hope this chapter is clear to all of you, and in next video we will do the NCERT questions to solve the NCERT questions. So I hope it is clear to all of you. Please make your summaries for this chapter so it become easy to solve for you to solve the NCERT questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.